How to change the battery icon on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you change or customize your battery icon look on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that there is no any such manual option you can customize the battery icon, but you can try these quick tricks. For the first one, you can enable or disable the battery percentage. For that, open up settings. From settings, tap on battery, and from the battery section you can turn off or turn on the battery percentage. After you turn on or turn off, this will add the percentage inside the battery icon or your iPhone, so you can easily customize it. On the other hand, you can use the widget customization. For that, come on your home screen and tap and hold on your home screen. After tap and hold, at the top left, tap on edit. From here again, at the top left, tap on add widget, and from here at the top in the source field you'll have to search for battery. After you find it, tap on that. From the section at the bottom, tap on add widget. After you tap on that, you can simply add the battery widget on your iPhone. All the way you can also turn on the low power mode if you want to change the color. For that, you can as usual turn it on from your control center. From here, turn on your low power mode. After you turn on low power mode, it will change your battery color to yellow. And that's it. These are the methods you can try to change the battery icon or color on iPhone. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.